of quotes from articles in the media about the Irish language, and some of them are just atrocious. They're really bigoted and prejudiced, and making all sorts of comparing Irish speakers to Nazis, Taliban, Stalinists, terrorists. One of the worst ones I think was, so a few years back there was a few secondary schools being amalgamated in Dingle, and I think maybe one of them might have been teaching to English, but the amalgamated school was going to be teaching to Irish. So some of the parents were kind of protested about this, and there was various stories in the newspaper. But the examiner had an editorial that said that the school was setting itself up as a Finsbury Park mosque by the sea. So what that refers to a mosque in London that was frequented by people in Al Qaeda, who, as in actual terrorists. So the comparison was between a group of Islamist terrorists in London with a school in the Gaeltacht that's going to teach through Irish. So, I mean, there's obviously a lot of, I don't know even how to describe the mentality behind that, but it's a very prejudiced or
you almost have to admire his creativity.
yeah.
It's